Hi everybody, this is my Garnet Gauntlet tutorial. I got stiff and flexible foam, a hot glue gun, and some fabric sheets. I started off by drawing circles and then cutting them out and gluing them on top of each other. Cutting all the stiff foam was so messy, but it was an easy cleanup. I glued a paper bag on the inside so all the little particles wouldn't keep falling out every time I put my hand in it. And then I made a handle with the foam tube, cut some fabric and laid it on there evenly. I did this over a span of like 4 days, by the way. In total, it might have taken I don't know, around 6 hours. After all of that, I drew a star on the flexible foam and then I cut it out. I traced it on yellow fabric and then I glued that on top. Colored in the sides with some Sharpie. Her gauntlets are orange at the bottom too, so I colored in that as well. I added some foam circles at the top so it would look a little bit cleaner, and then I colored them orange as well with some wax. I cut a circle of fabric for the top so I can put the fingers on top. And here are the fingers. This was definitely the most time-consuming part. I cut the tubes diagonally so I can make the fingers ball up into a fist. And then I wrapped them all with fabric, glued them together. Guys, I didn't measure one thing. I just eyeballed it. I'm really good with line work and proportion, so it wasn't hard for me. I then cut out little triangles so I can make the gems on the knuckles. I know they're literally so uneven, but I was too lazy to measure, so whatever. Then I wrapped all the fingertips with the black fabric. And then I glued all the fingers on. I didn't watch any tutorials, so I just freeballed the whole thing. So this is the result. I love them. They're fully functional and they're not perfect, but they look amazing.